Welcome to Tech Leveler, and do you find it annoying that you have to keep checking your iPhone to see if it's fully charged? Well, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to get a notification when your iPhone is 100% fully charged. So first, let's open the Shortcut app. If you don't have the shortcut on your home screen, you can use the search function to search out Shortcut. Now we have Shortcut up. What we want to press is Automation here at the bottom. And then from here, we want to click Create Personal Automation. And on the new automation page, you want to scroll down until we get to battery level. And then we want to tap into that here. Now we want to move the slider all the way to the right until we get battery level equals 100. Now we have battery level equals 100 here. We can tap next here in the top right hand corner. Now on this next page, we want to tap Add Action. Now at the top search bar here, we want to type out Speak. And then we want to tap this here, Speak Text. Now tap in this text box here and then type out what you want Siri to tell you when your battery is 100%. I'll type out, your battery is fully charged. Once you have the message you want to tap next here again on the top right hand corner. And then we want to toggle off here at the bottom, ask before running. You'll get this pop-up message. Once you're happy with that, just simply tick, don't ask. Once you've done that, tap done on the top right hand corner here. Now when you put your iPhone on charge, whenever your phone hits 100%, Siri will notify you with the message you inputted. Now if you ever want to delete this notification, you can come back to the Shortcuts app, then you want to tap Automation here at the bottom. And this will be all your automations that you have set up on your iPhone. As you can see here, this is the one we've currently just set up. Now to delete it, you want to swipe left on that automation and you'll get this delete pop-up box here. And we want to select delete, and that will delete that automation. Hope that video helped you out, and if it did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.